wind pressure which is comes from this 0.08 0.024 multiplied by its height. So the girder height, girder plus pedestal plus beam haunch plus barrier plus deck height. Okay, these heights we use this height from this all heights summation of this height is 8.52 feet. So the total wind force is 0.17 kip per feet, and longitudinally wind force is Fx. Longitudinal, this is Fy, this is transversely or laterally, and this is longitudinally. Fx is longitudinally, like this is bridge. In this situation this is longitudinally. Okay, this is longitudinally, this value is longitudinally value is you can see here longitudinal value is 0.17 kip per feet. Okay, 0.17 kip per feet. Okay, and transversely, this is transversely, which is 0.24 is skew coefficient, which is this, and 0.024 which is wind pressure, like this we have calculated 0.029, and so this is wind pressure 0.024. this is wind pressure, we use it only for superstructure, so 0.024 here is 0.024 and 8.52 its height. So the longitudinally is 0.05 kip per feet. So longitudinally this is 0.05 kip per feet, and transversely 0.17 kip per feet. Okay, so we have calculated these forces, and we will convert it into loads by multiplying it with its height and its dimension. Okay, so plan, this is the plan of the bridge, and this is supports. Fy is equal to 1.25 Fy into length, the whole length. So the wind load in this, so 1.25 multiplied by 0.17 multiplied by tributary length, it is 18.1 kip. It is in action, and its reaction will be in negative 18.1 kip. Okay, so laterally, so in longitudinal 1.0 multiplied by 0.05 multiplied by tributary length, which is equal to 4.25. so this is 4.25, this is 4.25, and this is lateral load is 18.1 kip in action. Okay, this load, this is force, and this is load, this is kip, and this is 18.1 kip. Okay, now we will use at the base of the column what will be the moment. We have solve loads, lateral load and longitudinal load, and we will use by this wind, apply this wind, produce moment, overturning moment. We will use that overturning moment, we will solve the overturning moment. Okay, so My is Fx multiplied by the total height from the base of the column to the top of the mid of the superstructure. Okay, this will we use. So the mid of the superstructure 8.5 divided by 2, 8.52 divided by 2 plus this 13 plus 5, the cap, pile cap. This is 23.01, and Fx, this is, if we calculate My, then we will use Fx. Fx is 4.25 multiplied by its height, which is come from this 97.8 kip per feet. The moment will produce 97.8 kip per feet. This is above y-axis. This is my y-axis. Okay, My. Okay, this will produce like this. So this moment will be 97 kip feet, and this moment will be if we calculate this, Fy multiplied by 23.01, which is 416 kip feet. Okay, and for the substructure, and we have solved superstructure, and the wind directly applied on the substructure. For the substructure, the skew